This is more of an Elite to me, since it has the same layout as an Elite, like the cord hooks back here, hoses here. The base is similar to a, well, I don't really know what to say about the base, but that one, that machine over there is the successor of this one. Of course, this one does have a high position. This one does have 2-speed motor, but you have to hold this down to hold it down to go to high speed. Hoses. It's kind of moving around a bit. There we go. Oh. This is a really nice machine. I got it for free in a house that had a wind tunnel, which I wasn't interested in. Similar to one of these out here. It was just like that black one there. But yeah, this is a great machine, and this was the last of the concept series. And this is a concept 2 with the hose. Sometimes some people might call it a concept free, unofficial concept free, or just PowerMax, but it's still a great machine. Hope to get one with the headlight and speed control someday.